I'm Sifezi Galala, the ANC Provincial Chairperson in KwaZulu-Natal. I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome all of those who have arrived in our province for the celebration of the ANC 107th anniversary. We welcome all members, supporters, and people in general who have come from all 9 provinces to be part of the celebrations of the ANC. This year's celebrations also coincide with the launch of the manifesto for the 2019 election. So be with us in Moses Mabhida on the 12th of January, where President Cyril Ramaphosa will present the ANC January 8 statement and the manifesto of the ANC for 2019 elections. Fill up Moses Mabhida Stadium.
Isocha nomkhonto wesizwe owabula